welcome back to our board. This is a bonus video. I'm going to be unboxing the WeeBox. I'm Laura, and let's just see what's inside. So the WeeBox starts off at 35 pounds and for international shipping, £8.50 a month. I will link how much it is in American too, somewhere on the screen. So, and I'll link down the box down in the description too. So, and I know last month I was bad. Hope everyone's doing okay in quarantine. So, let's just see what's inside, and I like to always point this out. They wrap this up and cute. This is it. And they wrap it in cute Scottish newspaper, and it's adorable. It's a small box. I love it. So, also, I believe. Oh yeah, my favorite sport's on this. So, rugby. I hope so. Last treat wasn't listed on the card. These are fresh, zesty lemon curd shortbread. Those would be a good tasty treat. So, yeah, so this is in Stewart's of Scotland lemon curd shortbread, and it says, with over 40 years of heritage and 3 generations of extra generation, we are proud to bring our brand new lemon curd flavor shortbread based in Perth. Once upon a time, capital Scotland, this traditional curd is a favorite of Scottish grannies, zesty and sweet. So sit back and indulge with a wee bit of cup. If you don't know what cup it is, it's a cup of tea. So it's kind of cute. So yeah, let's see what they taste like. I can open up the box. So now my husband, I'll mention this to everybody. They're part Scottish, and they also have a family. Here's what they look like. They come from Scotland, so it'll look different also. They have family shortbread recipe too. So. It tastes like lemon candy. I can't think of it. It was very nostalgic tasting. That's it. I can't think of it. Lemon drops, I think they are. They're really good, but I like lemon stuff. Also, lemon's like one of my limoncello. Whatever that is that they sell in Italy is, yeah. This is what it tastes like. So this is just our squared. So then we got Scottish Terriers on this. I don't know what this is. A scarf? Yeah, it's a scarf. It's adorable. So yeah, this is just touch Scotland to your wardrobe. So yeah, it's a scarf. The most bonny sky blue scarf, perfect for feeling like you're visiting Scotland, covered in adorable Scotty dogs. So yeah, Scottish Terriers. Just a cute little thing. Scarf. And then we got another bag, and it's butterflies. It's like a little coin purse. Makeup brushes, whatever you purses are. But they're all different kinds of tartan. That's cute. Yeah. It's dreaming of visiting Scotland. We are. Very much so. Get ready to visit your next trip when you can with this charming tartan travel bag, perfect for keeping all your travel essentials. Yeah, just whatever you need, small you need to keep organized. Yeah, just cute. We are dreaming of Scotland. Every time I see pictures of Scotland, I'm like, please take me there now, please. And then I think this is a tote. Yeah, could never happen. My family calls me the bag lady. I love bags. what does it say? Can't read. But it's a unicorn. Now, I don't know if you know this about Scotland, but it's the national animal of Scotland. So when you think of Scotland, of unicorns, I mean, you think of these cute little girly things. But if you really look into it, the unicorns that the Scottish pride themselves are these big, majestic, powerful creatures. So, and also fun fact, it's a myth, I can't remember the name of the myth, but England is national animal is the lion. Scottish being sovereign and proud, not a fan of England. I don't know if you know that, especially way back in the day. The unicorn was the only creature that could defeat the lion. So, just a fun fact there. So, when you think of unicorns, don't think of the cute little unicorns you know today. So, proud and pure and powerful, the unicorn of Scotland bag. Did you know that unicorn is Scotland's national animal? While the animal's mythological ideals represents what make it perfect fit, exclusive to the wee box to wear your Alba Goo-Braith cotton bag with pride and ditch plastic. So, always could use reusable bags, especially for pictures. And then, this is the declaration, oh, I'm going to pronounce this wrong, Aberbrooth, oh gosh. But it says freedom alone, for freedom alone. Gosh, I cannot read. So, it's the 2020 marks the 7th anniversary of Scotland's most important historical artifacts. To celebrate, we have included this comprehensive book, perfect for exploring the history of the U.S. Senate's claim to have the U.S. Declaration of Independence was modeled upon. So that's pretty cool. This would be a good little history book. So, I'm pretty sure my mother-in-law is going to love this too. So, me and her love. I love picking that, especially the British monarchy and the relationship with Scotland and stuff. It's always very intriguing to me. So, but I like to know what makes people tick, which usually makes me a good candidate of falling down the rabbit holes of serial killers. What I think they've done is absolutely, but just why and what got them there. If you're like that, please comment below. Thank you. So, anyway, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. My Instagram is RabinWar. It'll be linked down in the description below if you like any more videos. It'll be at the end card at the end of the video. And please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.